100. Wala pa result.
Year 10. Swimming on lane 0 is Matienzo of Quezon Resort Aquatic Club. On lane 1 is Petition of Manila Sea Pirates Swim Club. Swimming on lane 2 is Usman of Lunar College Aquatics. On lane 3 is Damascena of Flash Swim Club. On lane 4 is Vallanero of Flash Swim Club. On lane 5 is Mercadal of Flash Swim Club. Swimming on lane 6 is Montes of Flash Swim Club. Swimming on lane 7 is Santiago of Lady College Swim Team. On lane 8 is Posidon of Manila Sea Pirates Swim Club. And swimming on lane 9 is Fabros of DMS Humble Shark Swim Club.